Good morning, my name is Oscar with OND Roofing. Today is September 28, 2024. I'm in Hyattsville, Maryland, about to do a repair attempt for Allstate. Before I start doing the repair attempt, I'd like to take an overview of the roof, front slope and back slope, and also the damages that we are facing today. As you can see, we're also replacing a roof across the street this morning, which is good. All caused by wind damage. So what we got today is some wind damages in the front, right there. That's the repair attempt that we're gonna conduct today. That's a 3-tap shingle that we're using. My tools, flat bar, hammer, my toolbox. Since I'm by myself, I'm gonna use my toolbox to record this video. So these are the damages that we have in the front slope. Some more damages in the back slope. And pardon me the noise, but you know, we're nailing the roof across the street. So we had a hole over there that we cover, it's tarp, so we mitigate, you know, the more damages right there in the corner as well. And down the bottom we have some missing shingles right there, missing shingles, and little bit slippery. So stay with me when I'm doing this repair attempt. So basically what we're gonna do, okay, we're gonna try replace this shingle right here, and to replace the shingle right there, we're gonna break the seal of the shingle above, this shingle and that shingle, in order to take this off and replace it with a 3-tap shingle. Okay, I'm gonna set this up. Hopefully it's good enough. Yeah, that should be fine, I think. Let's see. Turn it a little bit right there. Okay. I want to show you guys before I start nailing this shingle, okay, and lifting the shingle a little bit. What we have right here is we already damaging the shingle above, right there and right there. Also, we got some material transfer. When we remove that right there, we got some material transfer right there, and right there. So we having a material transfer, and also we having a damaging the shingle right there. I'm gonna go ahead and nail it, okay? See how things are going. All right, let me bring you guys closer. As you guys can see, okay, right there, there's the shingle we replaced. Then we causing damages to the shingle above right here, and the shingle above right here as well. Also, we have some material transfer right there. You guys can see it, okay, and a little bit more right there as well. So, because we keep damaging the shingle above and also material transfer, I don't think this shingle is repairable. Okay, try to do this with the rest of the shingle. It's gonna be a hassle. Okay, all right guys, thank you very much, and we'll be in touch.